themselves public erokamanya Kasmuel jo mage appropriate violence ne en jotelo ematiyo gi jomatindo to jomatindo yiena de mondo ti kodgi
ingeni the material conditions mag jomatindo youth waonge gi employment waonge gi any sustainable income a lot of them podwa dake below poverty line so gin susceptible to radicalization kata gi easy ideas and kakingeni one very easily impassioned one joma very passionate gi moko matimo one kaka joluo so nini kaka wasecha kuwothe Kenya kaka vijana matin kata nini vijana machama wacho ni okwanyal tiyo me politicians for political expediency. Gima enable the biggest perpetrators mag political violence gin the politicians nikech gida lock out new players. Ingeni gise neno National Assembly kata executive kata whatever kaka money bag to gidwa any new players odonji gida make it very expensive very violent very threatening mondo kick new players odonji kaonge new players madonjo there will be no new ideas emomiyo kata one isene no kaka wanini wase transform kaka wa think about youth league wani wadat Josiasa mar ideology mondo kawa bede meza wanya discuss ideas okwada discuss personalities okwada discuss kaka wanya sijui dendo rais mondo wa youth maendeleo wada mana uone katiba to katiba wacho ni everyone has a right to contest anywhere wada chope situation ma inya Migori tinya chung somewhere in central ngatonya central tonya biro chung Nyanza mondo wa chop such a realization mar constitution mato falls squarely on the government nikech kade youth nigi proper education gi employment do give gore rally lakini a lot of jima perpetrate the violence go gimana haggards gionge teach gimana mudhiero so it's a thing ma bedo perpetrated by the political class lakini the youth kaka seneno there's been an awakening ma wasecha konenoni wanya differ ideologically the minds can battle lakini the fists okonego battle mondo sekjon obio ne jopin sera ka ODM chunga to gius na jopin sera wane if there is who has the better ideology lakini kwa nyanyani who has more people who can beat other people who has more money we end up losing as a community nikech that seat odie kwa ngata chal and the one who's going to take it all lakini kaka section wacho ka Josiasa osedog Nairobi there will be blood flowing in lowland to waonge gi remedy une mugocho negi gioro ni 10,000 kaka contribution kasto gikamo gibiro gi kethoni function political violence bedo perpetrated by the